In this video, I'm replacing the air filter in this Hyundai, and the air box is located right here. We'll zoom in and get started. Now in these Hyundais, it's super simple to change the air filter. I don't know why the other car manufacturers don't do this, but you've got two tabs and you just lift up a little bit, and the door comes open and pull your air filter right out. And I thought I'd change this one, but it's pretty dirty. Looks like there's been a mouse in there. There's even some dog food in there, so I'm going to vacuum that out before putting in our new filter. Well, this is a frame. I usually buy wicks, but I couldn't find one for this vehicle. It's a 2013 Santa Fe Sport, and I'll put a link to this on Amazon. When you go to Amazon, verify your year, make, and model. And we'll slide her in. It's a nice fit. And then we'll put two tabs down and we're done. Less than 5 minutes. Now if you liked this video or want to see more Hyundai Santa Fe videos, check out this playlist. I've upgraded both the low beam and high beam bulbs in this to LEDs, so check out those videos on that playlist.